Welcome to Toys Cole's Toy Reviews. And we have a Catboy car here.
So what do you have there, Cole? What's that in your hands?
It's a cat car.
The cat car, a brand new cat car, the Turbo Blast Racer.
Yep.
Okay, let's see you unwrap it. So what kind of car is this again, Cole?
Oh, turbo race car.
Turbo race car. Let's look at that. Nice features. Do you like this car?
Yep.
And how do you like this little guy here? What's his name?
His name is Catboy.
Catboy. Okay, great. So show us how you play with it.
Alright, you have the squishy signs and put him like this. Then try to and put him inside here. Then
Whoa.
I like this car, cat car, and Catboy is really cool.
Yeah, that's a really cool suit that he has on there, isn't it?
Yep. And another Catboy.
And that's a Catboy from your other Catboy car, right?
Yeah, but
So what makes this one different and more unique?
well, Walmart sold them.
And it's the Turbo, right?
It's the turbo race car,
The Turbo race car, and he's got on a cool
cat car suit.
cat car suit. That's right. Let's see him go.
All right, look at this. All right. Ready, Catboy? You're gonna. The channel and please subscribe.